Okay, guys, today we're gonna try to understand, how to factor a, a trinomial. That means we have three terms using this method. They call it FOIL method. FOIL. Okay, that's okay. The FOIL method, which mean we got this for the F foil, and then this is inside and outside, and this is the last. That's why they call it FOIL method. So that the first term and the 11 represent inside and outside term, and the 2 represent the last term. So basically, what it is. So basically, it's like you see what we got here. We got a to x to the power of 2, ax squared, bx, and c. So which mean the a represent f, and the b represent 11, and the c represent 2. So our goal is to put it like that in terms of px plus mx plus a factor kx plus n. So we want to put this like that. The way to solve it, the way to go that is the way to do it. So we want to put this in the form of px plus m time kx plus n. Well, we want to factor this. So in order to do that, here's what we're gonna do. So we need to solve this, which means if I want to solve it, it's like my p time k. So p time k, if you want, in this sense, equal 12. Okay, p time k equal 12. Okay, and I have m tie n equal 2, and then finally we got this one. We got like pn, right? Pn plus k tie m equal b, which is 11. There you go. So basically what we got here, we got like two equations. We got two equations. How many unknown number? I got p, I got k, I got m, n. Okay, so we got like 4 unknown and 3 equations. This is, so if you got 3 equations and 4 unknown, man, you cannot solve it. That's why we just gonna guess. So basically what we do to solve this, we just guess for the first one. Okay, they have to be whole number. Let's try to have our best guess, but we guess the first. We can choose the guess 1 or guess 2 or guess 3. Okay, and then we try to solve the other. But I think the easiest guess is this one, mn, but there is no way to have mn. We got, let me show. I'm gonna show the easiest one, this one. I know this one can be 4 times 3, right? Give you 12, and I have 6 times 2, and I have, see, this one I can have 4 times 3, I can have 6 times 2. So I'm not gonna choose this, because since I'm gonna have to try too many variable, I'm gonna choose this one because it's only 2 times 1. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna guess. In this situation, I'm just gonna guess, put m equal 1, okay, and then n equal 2, because that's the only multiplication that's gonna give me 2. Okay, that's what I did, and after that I'm gonna solve the other one. Okay, so but if you can find the easiest one, you're gonna choose. For example, if this was still difficult, I would have to first to try 4 and 3 and put it there, and then it should solve both of them. But since I already my m and my n, I need to find p and k. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna replace it here. So I'm gonna have like my n is 2. I'm gonna have p times 2, right? Plus k times 1, right? K times 1 equal 11, which means I have 2p, right? 2p plus k equal 11. Okay, I have 2p plus k equal 11. So I can say here I end up with another equation which I can call equation 4. So I can consider the first equations, right, which is p times k give me 12, and 2p plus k should give 11. So I can still guess here. We know this should be whole number. 6 times 2 give you 12. If I show 6 here, is there any way to have 6 and 2 to get 11? If I have 6, or whatever it is. So let's say I have 2 times 2 give me 4 plus 6 give me 8. 2 times 6 give me 12 plus 2, 14. So which means 6 and 2 doesn't work. You see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to guess. So 6 and 2. But 6 and 2 doesn't work for this one when you replace them. Okay? Either you put 6 here or you put 2 here. It's not going to work. So what other way to have pk that will give you 12? So I have this way too. I can have like 1 and 1 and 12, right? Or 12 or 12 and 1. So let's say 1 times 12 or 12 times 1. If you replace them, we're gonna have like 2 times 12, 24, 25, or 2 times 1 plus 12 is not gonna work. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do instead, that's gonna be the last one. The last one, let's see if it's work. The last one I can try is 6. So let's try the last one. 6 and 2. 6 times 2. Let's see if it's work. So oh no, excuse us. The last one is 4 and 3. We already try 6 and 2. The last one is 4 times 3. Okay, let's see if it's work. 2 times 4, that's gonna give me 8. If I put 4 here, this is gonna give me 8 plus 3. This is gonna give me 11. It's work. If it's work, so I'm doing basically what I know. I know my p. Okay, let's say I put my p equal 4, right? And then my k equal to, I have everything here. I have everything. I have p, I have k, I have m, I have n. So I can just replace them. So which means, let's try to do that. Let's just replace all the unknown. Let me erase this part. I'm just going to erase this part. So as you understand, what I did is I just replaced the formula. P times K, that's what I did, equal 12, right? M times N equals C. I just replaced. Remember, this is A, this is B, this is C. I just replaced them. And then the first thing I try to, the guess that was easier. That's what this guess. I choose Mn, and then I replace them in this one. I got another equation. Here again, I guess. So I got it. So I'm done now. Let me try to factor the way it was. So I'm gonna use this part. I need some space. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. So okay. So basically, and it's okay. Now, which means by replacing, I'm just going to replace here px. So let's see, px is going to be 4x, all right, plus m going to be 1, right, time what? Time kx, right, k going to be 3 plus n gonna be 2. There it is. There it is. There it is. So which means if I have to uh, make a reductions, I should have this. Let's try it. If I'm right, 4 times this one, that gives me 12x squared, right? I want to see if I'm right. 4 times this one, that's gonna give me 8x, right? This is gonna give me 3x plus 3x, and then this is gonna give me 2 plus 2. There it is. So basically I have 12x squared plus 11x plus 2. There it is. So you can use this formula to factor any trinomial with the form a x squared bx plus c. You just need to use this. So there is something important that I really need you to know. Hold on. This formula became easier when you have a equal 1. I'm going to show you. So let's say in this formula a become 1. What that mean by that? I mean by that, example, if I have x to the power, this one, just an example. Okay, so let's say I have this example, and this example, what I have, so they want me to solve to factor this one, but in the example, as you can see, my a become 1. If a become 1, what's going to happen? So I'm going to have p and k1, which means in this case the only, which means, let me show you, I'm going to have p times k equal 1, right? So the only way to have 1 is p equal 1, right? K equal 1. Okay, so I'm going to end up this one by replacing p and k equal 1. I'm going to have n plus m equal b. So when a equal 1, that's mean for any trinomial when I have to solve it and then a equal 1, I can have a new formula which is n plus m equal b, and then I'm gonna still have m times n equals c. So my new formula in this case is gonna be only this one. So which means I'm not gonna use a anymore. I'm just gonna put n plus m. Okay, so I'm gonna have something that is easier, which is n and m, because I know this is 1, k and p are 1, so I'm gonna have n plus m equal b, which is in this case 6, and then n times m equals c, which is in this case 8. So I only have 2 equations and 2 unknown. It's easy to solve. You can use whatever the method, but here it's easy to guess. It is 4 times 2 or 8 times 1, right? So this is 4 times 2 or 8 times 1. Excuse me, 4 times 2 or 8 times 1. But I'm going to choose the one that solves this one. 8 plus 1 give me 7. It's 4 plus 2 that's going to give me 6. So which mean so which mean n equal, the solution that I have is n equal 4, m equal 2, and I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Okay, and if you want, you can solve it like an equations to, which mean, I mean by that you can try to solve, but guessing it's really easy to do it. If I have my solution is m n equal 4, m equal 2. By replacing them here, what I'm gonna end up, let's see. px is going to be x because it's 1, right? Plus m equal to, and then kx, k is still 1, so I'm going to have x plus px m equal to n equal 4. N equal 4. There it is. Here is my solutions. So this is really easy. You got on one equation. So every time you got a equal 1, you can use, instead of using all those variables, you can put it this way: n plus m equal b, m times n equals c. Okay, and you're done. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to get more video like that. Take care, guys.